Hello guys and welcome back. Today we have managed to finally get our hands on these Bluedio Hi TWS Bluetooth earphones. They come in this black standard size box with a Bluedio app download QR code to the side and an overview of the features to the back. Let's delve inside. And what we have is one Type-C charge cable. That's good to see. There is 2 sets of AirPods included, a multi-language user manual, and the included Bluedio charge case with the earphones inside. So this charge case comes in matte black. It is quite simple, but it does have a look of an AirPod style box. It comes with a charge button which is central, individual earphone charge indicators to the left and right, and it also has, yes, a Type-C charging port for fast charging. Opening up the lid, it's a simple click and open lid with no magnetic seal like other charge cases like to include. Taking the earphones out, you have these moulded embedded earphone inserts with charging pins to the bottom. The earphones themselves look pretty good. They are mainly made out of ABS plastic with a black stainless steel look to the sides. There is a multifunction power pair play pause call answer button on both units, as well as microphones, air leakage holes, LED indicators and charging ports to the bottom. Placing the earphones back into the charging case, the dirt resistant compartment holds them in firm, with the 600 mAh battery charging both earphones within 1 to 2 hours. Pairing is easy, both units go into pairing mode once they are took out of the case. Locate and select Hi from your Bluetooth device, and within seconds you'll be ready to roll. Audio using these Bluedio TWS earphones is super loud, too loud in fact, with them high tones overpowering the bass at 100% volume. Turn it down to 80% and the music isn't too bad. Okay, bass is high, but it sounds a bit rugged. Mids and lows are good, but I feel for long listening periods, it may be uncomfortable for some people. The audio is certainly not well balanced. With these earphones, you have features like music control, call control, last number redial, voice assistant, and face recognition. What? Yes, you heard it, face recognition. So this is basically for power saving. Simply take your earphones out of your ears and the music playback will stop. Place them back in and the music will continue to play automatically. While using these TWS earphones, I got to around 5 hours 15 minutes out of a full charge with 80% volume being used. Transmission distance I got to 8.5 meters before the Bluetooth signal cut off. And while working with these earphones in place, I found the charging case to be quite comfortable within my pocket, it's not too bulky, and it is very useful at fast charging, giving these earphones a power boost when needed. I definitely think that these earphones really look good, they're not too oversized, and they definitely really sat snug within my ears with no sign of them falling out at all. So overall, basically, you have Bluetooth 5.0 Hi-Fi Stereo TWS earphones that look good, feel comfortable for a few hours at least, before your ears basically start to hurt, but it's just that audio. Definitely not advised to use 100% volume, as they will most certainly compromise the audio quality. And with that being said, I'll do my usual rating out of 10. I wish I really could give it a bit more, but I'm afraid today I've got to give these earphones a 6 out of 10. I gave it a 6 because I do actually love super loud earphones, but not ones that are painful at 100% volume. After all, we don't buy earphones to only use 80% of their potential now, do we? Anyway guys, I hope this review helped, and if it did, please smash that like button, subscribe, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Please share this video wherever possible, I would very much appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace, motherfucker.